Here we're solving two-step equations. You want to get rid of addition or subtraction first. If you think of your order of operations, it's all the grouping symbols. Sometimes we label that as P for parentheses, but it includes other grouping symbols as well. E for exponents. Multiplication and division go from left to right. So sometimes we see multiplication, sometimes we see division. And then addition and subtraction go from left to right as well. They're on the same level. But when we're solving equations, we're undoing things. We're trying to get it back to where it just says x equal to a number. So it's kind of like we're starting right here at the addition and subtraction, getting rid of that. Then we're getting rid of multiplication or division, and so on. So to get rid of the plus 6, we subtract 6 from each side of the equal sign. And so now we have 2x. Plus 6 minus 6 adds to 0, it's gone. We don't have to write it. And then negative 8 minus 6 is negative 14. To get rid of multiplying by 2, we'll divide both sides by 2. Anything we do to one side of the equal sign, go do to the other. Negative divided by a positive is a negative, and so we get negative 7. So we undo addition or subtraction, then we undo multiplication or division. To get rid of the minus 5 here, we'll add 5 to each side. 4 plus 5 gives us 9. And to get rid of multiplying by 3, we'll divide both sides by 3. Like we saw with the one-step equations, we can check these as well. So I'm going to go back to the original equation, and when we see an x, we'll put 3. And we're going to see if both sides come out to be the same thing. On the left side, we've got multiplication and subtraction, so we'll multiply first. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 9 minus 5 does in fact give us 4, so it checks, it works. We can be confident in our answer. To get rid of minus 3, add 3. Again, we're getting rid of addition or subtraction first, then we're getting rid of multiplication or division. 17 plus 3 gives us 20. And then to get rid of multiplying by negative 4, we would divide both sides by negative 4. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. To get rid of the plus 7, we'll subtract 7 from each side. Again, getting rid of addition or subtraction first, and then we'll get rid of multiplication or division. Now this time we have x over 5, or x divided by 5. To get rid of division, we'll multiply. So multiply both sides by 5, and we have x equal to 15. Again, you have the option to check. So on all the other ones, we were getting rid of addition or subtraction first. This one's a little different because everything on the left side of the equation is being divided by 5. So in this case, where we have a long fraction bar, we're going to get rid of that division by 5 first by multiplying both sides by 5. And so when you do that, these 5's divide out. Some people say cancel. We have x minus 3 equals negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. Now to get rid of minus 3, we'll add 3. Negative 10 plus positive 3 is negative 7. We could check this by plugging it back in. On the top of the fraction, instead of writing x, we'll write negative 7. On the left side, we've got this fraction bar that acts as a grouping symbol. It groups everything on top of it together. So negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. Again, order of operations to the grouping symbols first. It includes a long fraction bar. Now we can divide on the left side. Negative 10 divided by positive 5 is negative 2. And so it checks. It works. So you're undoing addition or subtraction first, then undoing multiplication or division, unless everything on one side is being divided by a number, like it was on this one. Hope you've enjoyed the video.